Good morning, what is going on, everybody? This is the Crypto Key YouTube channel, and today the moon has finally arrived. We've got big news coming for the Terra ecosystem with this Columbus-5 release and launch. It is finally live, and we are going to be seeing a lot of growth in the near future. Disclaimer, as always, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is for education purposes only. So what is Columbus-5? I have talked about it, I have mentioned it in tons of other videos, and I have always said this is going to be your almost catalyst for the Terra network. Well, it's an upgrade. It is essentially going to increase value capture, allow you to port assets across IBC enabled chains, which I've covered previously, and then increase their TeFi economy. So with it, you're going to see the potential for IBC activation. Now, I don't foresee IBC not getting enabled, so I'm going to go on a limb and just say it is going to be enabled soon. The economic changes coming include a change to their treasury model, where now 100% of the Luna seigniorage from the expansion of UST supply is now being burned. This will lead to a increase in Luna value capture. And so this value is going to be a function of the UST market-wide adoption. So pretty much, let's say you've got UST on all of the IBC enabled chains. So say you've now got UST trading on Osmosis, you've got it trading on all of the various Cosmos ecosystems. That UST adoption there is going to drive the value of Luna up as Luna is being burned from the circulating supply. Additionally, with this change with Columbus-5, you've got a change to the community pool, and you've got introduction of a protocol called Ozone. So now that you've got 100% being burned of the Luna, the seigniorage is no longer going to the community pool. Currently the community pool had 98.6 million Luna, which was roughly $3.5 billion. The team is taking and moving 1 billion of that. Do Kwon put out a thing about this on Twitter not long ago. He's taking about 1 billion from the community pool that will be burned on-chain swaps to UST to bootstrap Ozone. Ozone is an insurance protocol. It's an algorithmic claims-based insurance protocol that is currently being audited and is set to be coming out mid to late October. So it's upcoming, and it's going to be an insurance protocol for the ecosystem. This is huge, and I think this is a key factor as to why you'll see an increased adoption in Luna. And I want to touch on the IBC now. So it is a communication protocol. Pretty much by default, the Cosmos SDK has the IBC disabled, and it has to be pretty much manually initiated and enabled. The IBC will function hopefully to go live soon, but Terra Luna is going to have a governance vote to enable IBC. Assuming the vote passes, IBC will be enabled, and you'll start to see UST, and I'm sure you'll start to see Luna traded across multiple different chains, which will be exciting as it will drive additional value and additional growth in the price of the Luna token. Along with this Columbus-5 upgrade, you are going to see an increase in total number of projects coming out on the ecosystem. So I'm going to make a video here soon regarding kind of how to learn about the upcoming airdrops happening on Terra's ecosystem along with the projects coming out. And I will also go over the projects coming out in a follow-up video. But this is a base, simplistic review of Columbus-5. This is not your detailed, all the inner workings. This is essentially what is happening with it. And as it is based on the Cosmos SDK, they are going to be ramping up to be more efficient on the transactions per second, hopefully going to 100,000 transactions per second, and speeding the chain up, which is exciting in and of itself. So with that being said, let me know if you were excited for Terra Luna for this last quarter of the year and going forward. I am personally extremely excited. I was giddy yesterday just waiting for this to come out and waiting to see what happened. I mean, we saw it was down. Luna's price was at like 34 at one point and already is back up to 38 within a day. People are saying it's a sell the news event. I personally disagree. I think this is an event that is going to drive a ton of value. So let me know your thoughts down below, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.